Karnataka MEITEI Association KMA NASU Pallan THOURAM PANGTHOKKHRE honoring the patriots renewing our commitment towards a peaceful and united Manipur haiba theme da pangthokkiba thoram aduda Irom Chanu Sarmila Iron Lady of Manipur Rajesh AMIFS liaison officer government of Manipur amadi tongan tonganba Manipur dagi lakpa community representative kyana sarukya ki thoram aduda MEITEI Pangal Tangkhul Rongmai Anal Jelerong Mau Paumai Tarau amadi atai purukya gi mihut sing sarukya ki
I have discovered that there is no partition in religion, there is no partition in casteism, there is no partition in any kind of background, and they are just focused on one voice, and that is the youth voice. Youth ki voice to Mina my party, Manipur, the safe Manipur. I believe, I have a strong belief that it's going to be very successful this time, and that is the reason why that is the very reason. And